In the heart of the studio, the master craftsman begins with a fresh gather of molten silica at over 2,000 degrees.
Temperature control is critical. Too hot and it drips, too cool and it won't stretch.
He uses gravity as his primary tool, initiating the vertical stretch to thin out the glass.
Uniform thickness is the goal. He monitors the flow rate carefully.
It creates a parison several feet long, distinctively flexible while hot.
He must move immediately to the molding station before the glass hardens.
He anchors the tip. The timing here is split second.
Coordinating the rotation of the pipe with the placement in the mold requires ambidextrous skill.
Layer by layer, the heat exchanger coil takes form.
The winding is complete, but the glass is still malleable.
A controlled burst of air inflates the coil, locking it against the mold walls.
He prepares to sever the connection.
A clean cut is essential to prevent stress fractures later.
He flattens the profile, ensuring the spiral is planar.
The glass transitions through the glass transition temperature, becoming rigid.
He scores the neck to induce a controlled break.
A sharp tap, and the piece is free. He dons high temperature protection. The glass is still around 900 degrees.
He lifts the fragile coil. It supports its own weight now, but is still vulnerable.
A quick visual inspection confirms the clarity and shape.
The annealer awaits. This oven will slowly bring the glass down to room temperature.
Placement is key to ensure even airflow and cooling.
The cycle is set. In 12 hours, this piece will be ready.
Another successful run for the master glassblower.
Tool maintenance is part of the craft. The pipe must be clean for the next gather.
A blend of art and engineering, right here in the studio.
Thanks for watching the process. Agcutre Beestrin.
"12 hours later, the annealing cycle is complete, and the glass is safe to handle.
Now cooled to room temperature, the spiral can be removed without gloves.
The ring of the glass tells him it is solid and free of major cracks.
The rough edges where the glass was cut must be ground flat. A perfect flat seal is achieved.
Now to turn that frosted edge back into clear glass.
Friction and compound work together to polish the surface on a microscopic level.
Crystal clear. The cold work is done.
All residue must be removed before final inspection.
Compressed air clears the internal channels.
The quality control station. Precision is mandatory.
He verifies the diameter. It must be within a tolerance of 0.5 millimeters.
The polariscope reveals invisible stress. A uniform color means a perfect anneal.
Glass this fine requires careful shipping preparation.
Suspended in foam, it can survive the journey.
Sealed and labeled.
This batch is heading to a chemical laboratory in Europe.
A clean shop is a safe shop. Silica dust must be managed.
These tools are extensions of his hands. They must be respected.
The furnace runs 24/7. He must replenish the raw glass for tomorrow.
Charging the furnace ensures a fresh pot of clear glass for the morning shift.
He sets the idle temperature. The beast sleeps, but never cools.
Hydration is crucial in this extreme heat environment.
The overheads go dark, leaving only the eternal glow of the molten glass.
The heart of the studio keeps beating.
Another day of craftsmanship comes to a close.
Rest well. Tomorrow, the fire awaits again.
Every piece starts here, with a design and a plan.
Selecting the correct coefficient of expansion is vital for color compatibility.
Safety first. Didymium lenses filter out the sodium flare from the torch. Precision heating is the difference between art and a mess.
Not every attempt succeeds. Broken glass, or cullet, is recycled back into the furnace.
The cycle continues. Nothing is wasted.
Sharp tools ensure clean lines.
Camaraderie in the shop keeps the team going.
Decades of experience are documented here.
But the hot shop is where the magic happens.
Breath becomes form.
Motion becomes structure.
The punty transfer, a critical moment of risk.
From spirals to bowls, the physics remain the same.
A master of the fire.
The finished heat exchanger. A perfect union of utility and beauty.
Thank you for witnessing the process.